Q is for Quokka. Illustrated by Jean Claude. Q is for Quokka. Discover the quirky world of quokkas with this beautiful book. For little animal lovers, full of first words beginning with the letter Q.
Q is for Quokka. Quokkas live in Australia. You find most of them on Rottnest Island. Q is for quirky. These adorable animals seem like they're always smiling. Quokkas poke their tongues out. It might look silly, but it helps them to keep cool. Q is for quantity. A female quokka can have 17 babies in her lifetime. Each new baby stays in the mother's special tummy pouch. Q is for quoll. This furry animal lives in Australia too. There are lots of Australian animals.
Quoll, wallaby, echidna, koala, kangaroo, wombat.
Q is for quizzical. Curious little quokkas explore by hopping around. Q is for quest. They wake up at night, climb trees and search for food. Q is for quick. People love to take pictures with quokkas. But you have to be speedy. Take a photo before they hop away. Q is for quiet. It's time for our furry friends to have a nap in the shade.